make education technology easy for you. Welcome to the Learning to Online Teaching and Learning course. My name is Nisar Ahmed, and I'm one of the instructors that will be with you throughout this learning journey. Are you an educator? Have you ever wanted to understand more about how to design your class to make better use of educational technology, whether fully online or in blended contexts? Would you like to learn from those who have extensive practical experience with online technologies? Integrating online technologies into your teaching can be a challenging prospect, and it can be difficult to know how to approach it effectively for the benefit of both students and yourself. No one knows your own content and teaching strengths better than you, and the one-size-fits-all formula doesn't always suit everyone. No matter what type of technology you are interested in exploring or your level of experience, this course will help you draw on your teaching strengths and find the approach that is right for you, your students and your educational context. We started a 4-week online course on online teaching and learning for elementary and secondary school teachers such as junior elementary school teacher, junior school teacher, high school teacher, and all other elementary school level teachers. Identify the importance and use of a range of online technologies in learning, teaching, and course design. Evaluate different course designs involving digital technologies and online learning activities appropriate for a range of teaching contexts. Demonstrate independent inquiry and reflective practice. Course is distributed in 7 different learning modules. Module 1 is about why is online teaching important, is about understanding where you are in the current educational landscape and determining where you want to be. We will explore why online teaching is relevant to your teaching practice, and you'll have an opportunity to reflect upon the opportunities and challenges you face in your own context. Module 2 is about open and institutionally supported technologies, focuses on helping you understand the benefits and restrictions of both broad categories of technologies. We're all familiar with different social media technologies, and many of us will be aware of larger institutional online learning systems. In this module, we will ask you to think about the reasons why you might want to use freely available online tools for your teaching, or your institution's learning management system. Important considerations such as which types of technologies are suitable for a range of different activities will also be explored. Module 3 is about planning online learning. Will explore the importance of planning online learning from a pedagogical perspective rather than a technology-driven one. Careful planning is one of the most important aspects of teaching online, and success often depends upon taking the time to consider all of the different aspects of the online learning experience before you begin. The content and activities will explore the concepts of constructive alignment, choosing which aspects of a class are best done online or face-to-face, building digital literacy capabilities within your students, and examining your own motivations for wanting to teach online in the first place. Module 4 is about online learning activities. Will identify important considerations you need to keep in mind when developing online learning activities for your students. We will offer advice about how to plan an online activity, and help you think about which may be appropriate for your own students. When you are new to the process, understanding which online technology best supports different learning activities can be daunting. This module, along with a range of case studies and activities, will explore the relationship between different technologies and specific activities in more depth. Module 5 is about online assessment strategies, discusses the notions of formative and summative assessment in online contexts. We will also explore benefits and considerations that you'll need to keep in mind if you're considering adopting an online assessment strategy in your own teaching, and how using technology can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the assessment process. Module 6 is about engaging and motivating students, explores various strategies for engaging and motivating your students in a range of different online learning scenarios. It discusses the important roles that curriculum design, activity structure, the relevance of the chosen technology, and effective time management play in creating an enthusiasm for learning in your students. Module 7 is about evaluation strategies, examines the importance of evaluating your online teaching practice to ensure that it is effective, and to give you an opportunity to constantly improve. This is especially important when you are first developing an online teaching practice, or when you are trying something new for the first time. We will explore an evaluation strategy based upon 4 reflective angles: self-reflection, peer observations, student feedback, and theory. Keep watching our videos. This course will help you in designing online teaching curriculum and with the tools and knowledge needed to work in the field of online education and use technology such as mobile apps and video conferencing within the learning environment. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more lectures and training sessions.